Well, we haven't got long, we just said that would be climbable there. It's the just doing a wide view of the abandoned Hotel California. See all the devastation right here on it. Full view of everyone is that main one though, isn't it? One of the outbuildings there, the shed. So, and then what we've got is the very overgrown garden here. Maybe we didn't encounter anyone last year. If it's any different, I'll just go back out again. So, first thing I'm going to do on this one is we're going to have a look at the basement. These outbuildings here as well would have been when they would have had a lot of especially in this sort of weather when it was actually there would have been people outside. There would have been like the barbecue, there was a DJ stand, I think it's in that brick pit there. But the devastation now is so much more. This was the Revolver nightclub, a bit that was actually separate, that you got into free if you arrived in the Hotel Cali bar bit before 10 o'clock. Now the management has moved to Molly's Chambers. You can see some of it there, but there's less and less that's coming off the ceiling there. It's just more and more a little bit of an ornate thing there. But I will just this view of here. Coming through here, there's not even a door on this side anymore, and this is where the main bar was. So much of it has just fallen through. So much more from upstairs has fallen through. So it's just absolutely crazy. Even the bar itself is the last thing standing now. So it's just so I actually went and did a bit of footage upstairs, which is getting more and more treacherous as time goes on. So I'll show you. This bit was where the toilets were as well. There's toilets on the side of the Revolver too. Not there, but ladies and gentlemen. Doors just fallen through, and that's kind of in the way. Doing the full explore there, just and you would only get the ruined toilet. There's also a bar down the basement as well. Look at that, like you can see some of the points and even everything where the pints were served. This is even mostly gone now. Electric circuit box and this down here where this, even this trolley that was pushed in after abandonment starting to decay now as well. There's like another one. After that, if there's someone here, they'd hear that. This is just to get past here now. It's like, flip it out. Then you've got it's just devastation in here now, isn't it? It's just the Budweiser fridge, and it's all waterlogged as well, so when you come across here you can just sort of see, even if I tread on that, probably still come through to these walking boots. These have been placed as stepping stones, and a little bit dodgy the whole thing, isn't it? You can see the level of the water, so it would come through to your shoes a bit. And then you've got these looking pipes here. And just going to try and get through to the end of it. Oh, the phone's in your flipping hand. It's not the most steady thing ever, obviously. Could just stand in the water, couldn't I? But by trying not to do so, I've now got to go. It's quite deep, that water, Jesus. It didn't come through the shoes at that point. Yeah, we get some more and more water the longer that we're doing it. So that's now the edge of the basement. I've got something. Kind of moving as I try and steady up. Really, that corner there. This is the trickiest bit, so I don't want to unbalance these. Both cellar doors are shut, and it is hard without it being head mounting, because it isn't, unfortunately. I'll actually do this. At this point, what am I going to grip on? As I just come through. It doesn't matter if it's daylight outside, does it? For the illumination here. If the electrics were still on, I'd be a bit worried about these wires hanging about, but they're not. So people would have sat in here. Yeah, that just went down into the water a bit when I did that then. Yeah, things that are still left in here as well. God, look at this, the stagnancy of that water as well. Oh my God. This bit now, it's kind of good when you haven't got too much on. All the thorns and things. You can get through. So there, but your only way back is through there now. Get this bit over with. Not much footy space left. Look at it down there, straight into that same passageway that I was in. A bit of a view. Yeah, you get vertigo height feeling when you see this. There's Birkenhead below. To make the return back, we've got to go through this thick bushes and we've got to through the basement unless you go over that wall somehow over there. So, I guess you could feasibly get in there, back through. That's literally the only way, but it is. There's a couple of possible routes there. Oh, can I get everything backwards? And battle it. I mean, here, battle live. Oh, Jesus Christ. They get all over there, everywhere. There we do. down into that. We're doing a super view explore of the Hotel Cali as it stands. So I don't know what we're going to find here. Obviously. It's kind of different, isn't it? More overgrown than it ever was. Just got to stop a minute, get a couple of things sorted out. So we are looking at the abandoned Hotel California, and I'm just having a look at it in super view. Wow. Yeah, I've seen it several times. I don't want to be long doing this, so I better have a look through. It shouldn't be long. Look everything there. Crazy amount of rubble on here now. As long as I'm that bit wiser. I really have. Yeah, you would. What are you saying? God, it's even further through now. There was like a shelf or something, and it's just just about get through in this place now. It's just crazy. Shouldn't cook. Might not even be long. Got even more through straighter downstairs there. As before. Jesus. And that's a new one, straight down there. I'll have to get back to where I was. They could be on their way. Right, let's go slowly down here. However, not too much commentary on this. Oh, well, it's there now, it's just the same. They're done. Put the helmet on though. Not really. Nice, I am now, yeah. Sorry, who's awake from the car. We haven't done the basement, but